Asheli from Not True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the January Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, this is a monthly beauty box. It's $21. You receive 4 to 5 full-sized makeup, skincare, beauty items. It probably is, as far as beauty boxes are concerned, the best bang for your buck. You always get, well, I think it's like $100 plus value to each box, and it does come out to that. This is the first month, I'm going to be honest, that I've ever been kind of disappointed. I mean, it's still worth it in my opinion, but however, this month I just was kind of let down a little bit. I already, by the way, full disclosure, I've already opened this up. When I got it, I was like, I'm going to open it up and find out what I received. So anyway, Boxy and Chill is our card, and then they do list each of the retail prices so that you can check it out. All right, so first we have the palette. Almost every box comes with a palette, as far as I know. Last month I didn't get one. I got the hair straightener. But as far as the box goes, you know I was lying. So I'm going to be totally honest with you guys. I'm on this kick. Have any of you guys been watching Marie Kondo on Netflix, the Tidying Up series? I am obsessed. I'm sure maybe some of you are as well. My whole house is torn apart right now. I'm getting rid of so much stuff. And right now I'm going through my makeup drawers and I'm looking at palettes. I'm like, I like literally. So this is one right here. I don't own this palette. This palette retails for, I think, $30-some. Let's see. $36. $36. It's beautiful, but am I going to use, do I need it? Like, does it spark joy? A little. But I also wonder, what am I going to do with it? Like, the packaging is cool. So it's a highlighting palette, as far as I understand. So first of all, there were 3 palettes available. Almost everyone got this palette, which is the third volume. There was volume 1, 2, and 3. I received the third. There's only one matte, and that's not even, it doesn't even look matte. It might have a light shimmer. I haven't swatched these because I might sell it. I don't know. But look at all these, they're shiny, they're beautiful. But do I have things that are similar? Probably. So I don't know about that. I don't know. Jury's out. All right, so like, is it a bad item to receive? Heck no. There were complaints that Boxy had sent a similar palette a few years ago. I have not been with Boxy long enough to have that personal complaint of my own, so I'm not going to even, get into that. No. Next, we have the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I know a lot of people were really excited about this. I am going to be completely honest. There's a lot of talk on YouTube of Briogeo and how amazing it is, and I've used this a few times, and for my hair, it just doesn't do what it says it's going to do. I have not tried this particular product, so it could knock my socks off. Don't know, but I'm going to be that defector and say not on my top 10, not even in my top 700. Anyway, moving on, we have another, so that's a disappointment there because I'm just like, probably not going to like that, or just not, it's not that it is like bad, it's just that it didn't do anything, so why use something if it's not working? Alright, so I'm not going to get the use out of that. I probably won't get the use out of the palette. And then we have this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana, which, I mean, I'm going to be completely honest and say that this color, probably not the right one for me. Just going out there on a limb. That is a problem that I do have with a lot of subscription boxes for beauty. I am very particular about lipstick color. I don't wear certain pinks. I don't wear this color. I do try them and then I wipe it on. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So I didn't even open this because I may pass this on to a friend or something like that could use it. The packaging is pretty. It's a pretty product, just not for me. And that's the gamble you take with a box like this, though, and I understand that. It's $21. You're going to get way more, but would you have spent that if you went to the store? I don't go to the store. I get boxes. It's my joy. So I still enjoyed it, but would you? I don't know if you would enjoy it. See the difference? You see what I'm saying? All right. Next we have, and this is probably the biggest bummer of all. I don't know why. I hate saying this. The company Starlux, I'm just not into their stuff, like at all. Like, this is the Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. First of all, plus that it isn't a liquid liner because I can't use them. I just don't have the eye. I have bad eyes, so when I have to do my liner, I have to take my glasses off. I can't see anything. Like, I literally can't see anything. So the pencils seem to work better, but I just have enough black pencils. I do not care for Luxe products. And that's that. So finally we have the only item in here I'm like, that I am interested in trying. So this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. There's 2 of these. They're made in Japan. Tatcha is known for making very high-end skincare products. I don't know if this has like special ingredients that like, I don't know, like seaweed or something like that. I think I did green tea, rice, and algae. So there's that kind of stuff. And I'm always down to try this kind of stuff and see if it works. These are very expensive. So let's go through the prices. I don't know. See, that's the thing. It's like if you like just one item, you probably could have just went and bought it. So the Briogeo is $16, but I don't know if that is the full size. It might not be. So they might be giving you the full size cost and not the, you know, the sample size. Then we have the Ofra lipstick. That's $20. The Tarte palette is $36. The Tatcha masks are $24. So that's really nice. And then there's a free gift with purchase coupon. And then the Luxe pencil. This kills me. $19 for that pencil. Are you kidding me? Really? It better be amazing. I'm going to try it out and let you guys know. So anyway, that is my January Boxycharm. I'm looking forward to February. I in no way don't like this subscription. I love this box. It's a great box. I was just a little disappointed this month. So anyway, that's everything. I will have my full blog review. I'll link to that below. I will also use my referral link down there as well. If you're still going to subscribe after this video, I feel so terrible. I do love this box though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.